Woke up early. The dealer's not even open yet, but most likely gonna buy a new bike today or take home a brand new spicy Italian. I'm at the Ducati dealer. And all these lovely used bikes on the front. A couple of. They're also an Aprilia dealer as well. So let's see what they got for me. And I am stoked. I could barely sleep last night. I'm like a little boy in a candy shop, baby.
Candy shop it is. Yeah, we went back to his favorite dealer and see what options he has after paying off his Yamaha XSR.
Alright, so I sealed the deal. I got the new Ducati. It's a multi-strada Pikes Peak. It's beautiful, man.
So yeah, the boys found a bit of time in his hands. And after losing the Kawasaki.
Wow. 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 And that engine just so torquey, so much torque. And so, man. And honestly, it doesn't feel as big as I thought it would feel. It's not that big of a bike. It's very sporty. Feels like I'm on a naked bike.
The 2016 Ducati Multistrada. It's a 1200cc bike. It's called Pikes Peak. It's a moto adventurer motorcycle. It's got a race-inspired look and enhanced components. It's named after the successful machines that race in the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb. It has a smoother response at low RPMs. You could tell and you would hear the purr of that exhaust later. It's got strong performance at high RPMs. The Pikes Peak has Öhlins. You will see that at the suspension. It's got Öhlins forks. It's a TTX 36 shock absorber for high performance and precision. The front fork has preload and damping adjustment for rider preference. The Pikes Peak has a Bosch 9.1 ME cornering ABS system. Ducati Performance by Temignoni silencer with a carbon fiber sleeve. You can see the wheels there. The Pikes Peak has Y-shaped 3-spoke light alloy wheels. The tires, the Pikes Peak has Pirelli Scorpion Trail 2 tire. It has a tubular steel trellis frame. I like the feel of the clutch. The Pikes Peak has a light action. It's got wet multi-plate clutch with hydraulic control. It has a Bosch electronic fuel injection system.
Please don't drop the bike.
Of course, I tried riding the bike, testing it out for myself. I know I'm a bit under geared. I'm not wearing gloves, not wearing the pants, not wearing the boots. Sorry about that. I know I promised and I should know better. But it was a short ride around the neighborhood, and I would say it was pretty surprisingly smooth for me for a first ride. Not as smooth as the 2022 GS Adventure though. And also as a side note, I never sat in a better seat than the 2022 R1250 GS Adventure from BMW. But it's all about the Ducati today, so yes, at low RPMs it delivers as expected. Higher RPMs, very efficient, and even the braking and the clutching is my favorite. The suspension is performing as expected for a Ducati, and can't complain about that. It's a really good feature. I think this is a good call. Getting this bike more than the other ones that he has in his options earlier. So there you have it. Completely got rid of his two bikes for this year. His beloved Kawasaki kind of feel bad about that, but not guilty. And then finally getting rid of his XSR 900, and he's replacing that with this one bike while he's not that busy, because he's gonna get busy quite soon now. What with all these payments? Oh, what fun to be an adult, right, Jay? Anyway, we're just taking videos of him having fun around the neighborhood. Hope to have more videos of the Ducati with the BMW right along. And meanwhile, be safe, get home, and enjoy the ride. See you in the next episode.